Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw Modic from your Coinbase wallet to KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through it step by step, keeping things simple and secure. Let's get started. First off, why withdraw Modic? It's the native token for the Polygon network, and moving it to an exchange like KuCoin can help you trade, stake, or diversify your holdings. But remember, always double-check for the latest fees and network updates, as crypto rules can change. Before we begin, ensure you have a Coinbase wallet set up with some Modic in it and a verified KuCoin account. Also, make sure you're on the Polygon network for this transfer to avoid extra costs. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet on your app or website and log in securely. Navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the Modic asset from your portfolio. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw or Send button next to Modic. You'll need to enter the withdrawal amount. Don't forget to leave some for network fees. Step 3. In the recipient address field, paste your KuCoin deposit address. To get this, log into your KuCoin account, go to the Assets section, select Modic, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always verify the network matches, like Polygon, Modic. Step 4. Review the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. Once you're confident, confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Keep an eye on that. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. On the Polygon network, this usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary. Head back to KuCoin and check your account to see if the Modic has arrived. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so double-check addresses to avoid losses. Also, watch out for gas fees, they can add up. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn Modic from Coinbase wallet to KuCoin. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading. See you in the next video.